Mami mfa Daakye nti emfa entwa so ema anopa ni yesu say treating people right is better than posting Bible verses every day that you know you don't practice it. And Oshenkrofo status, Oshenkrofo one story on Facebook, on Instagram, and all the social media handles. No, Ayana S. Rekeke say Ghana for all of a sudden no. Ye nyina ya dane motivational speakers. Ye nyina all of a sudden no ya dane a Christopher yen WhatsApp status. Eni ama na wo posti wo status ho no ye. Obi anka say nyo. But me bisawo se ne ya wunya hoden the vim and vigor. Aya na wo di posting sa na usubante. Treat people good. Men kwotena social media no so face WhatsApp. Now we posti near my love each other. Meanwhile, in a practical life, you don't love your brother. We nya chumni. Also fuko fi odru. Baka kire o. We nya chumni. Yankotena WhatsApp status. Enkonko kire say wona wo do Ghana. Wona wo do enipa nyina. Treat people good. When you meet them, treat them good. Uni ni pesia ye ni ye obu anu mo pese ohunu u status in the society and sana wa treat we ye enanu ye ra store bi mu lady ni se ne oyanche no ho afi ohunu se obo ba nie obe comport ne ho se madam de na wo ye no koso ane ye. You don't need to know the person before you treat him or her well. Treat them well. Social media and Facebook no amakotena they say hono de bi mbo akutia ene ka hono enwe mfa hwema. WhatsApp start hono. O sorry abompaye ka kire urade se urade meda wase. So ama de patch me bie wanum ne bossa mpaye no. Ye nkonkotena social media WhatsApp na urade meda wase. WhatsApp won nyanko make nkan mu nyina WhatsApp status. Ehun se hono na moda na se. Treat people good. Treat people right. Treat them better. Don't go and sit on social media and be writing stuffs as if said that is who you are. We nya chumni. Treat people good. Uni nipa nyina ntene yie. Mesi uni nipa nyina nya den ntene yie. Daakye nti uni nipa nyina ntene yie. Enye nhwehwe animu ya nkrofo bo no mu a naturally no me nhwehwe animu fo. Se adwuma yi mu ayewo yi. No obo ba mi suba ya medete ha yi. Me hunu se odi a nkan abadwuma na fe me ho premi girigirigiri eno no me yenya atwumni me ahwehwe animu ni. If you don't come to work early, uhun se odi a nkan ba run na men sore ma adwuma mu ntam we yenya atwumni. Treat people good. Don't wait to know the person before you can treat the person right. You go sit on your social media stats and you'll be writing stuff over there. And practically, you know, you don't do them. And a radisi, one kasan in your practical life, no do saying I would juma. Give and it shall be given unto you. No actual now they are to start to walk back. Just letting people know, say, what you churchy. Meanwhile, in your practical life, it is not like that. Or that in Tiano say, treating people right is better than posting Bible verses every day on your status, of which you know very well you don't practice them. You don't practice them. Practice what you preach. Yeah. And one thing I love about myself, Obama, and say, assembly na ye di babetna radio so ye kano. I make sure I practice it. Means to me yebi. Inti nyasi ya betna radio so na kan sa keke. And the microphone betna radio so maka sa said ye. If we are nyasa nyina wo mutiri maka kan ma so ko mba bi. And ye cultivate a habit of savings in your money. But on one kasa in a real life when you be afei 2, 3, 5 years, 10 years to come. On one what radio so motivating microphone. Afei no one na microphone so sika. No, we don't do that. It is a betna na me preach kira say cultivate a habit of savings. Men so I was saying so me cultivate this habit ni bi. I will say me save because to be massa de bia wow your motivational speaker no betra ha na wo kan crofo guiding crofo in life na crofo they are making it na wo mumu motivating crofo no ahia wo say tam. No, we don't do that. And intimacy, treating people right is better than posting Bible verses on your WhatsApp status or wherever, of which you know very well that you don't practice them. Or that chinti yenesa nebe bua opa. Eradin kan ho. Or that chinti.
Tie ahenkan 93.3 FM, the best in the East. Yawo achim abuabo.